Another day, another vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube space. If you are new here, my name is Gift Nasimiu. Trust me, you will love our vibes on here. So don't go anywhere. Yes. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know how we do it. Welcome back, babe. Welcome back. Anyway, who's this gorgeous beauty? Anyway, guys, so as you've seen, or as you watched in my was it 3 videos, the past 3 videos, I started working on my kitchen, and that is still ongoing. I'm still getting some more stuff, which is what this video is actually about. I want to go get an air fryer, but then I'm also thinking of getting a coffee maker, but I've not yet decided on whether I'll get the coffee maker or not. But for the air fryer, at least for that one, I'm sure. So I just want to tag you guys along so that we can check out what is out there. So let's go.
I'm feeling it. My bones telling me it's right. It's so different. But when you take me to the light, it's like a cigarette. And I'm burning at your lips. Start so innocent. Then you kick it up, and now I want to.
1,000 years later, I am finally back home. I actually got home a couple of minutes ago, and I want to quickly show you the stuff that I managed to get before I go freshen up and call it a day. So I went to Kisasa Homes, as you've seen in the previous clip. That is where I got the items that I'm about to show you. Kisasa Home is it Kisasa Homes or Kisasa Home? It's the same place that I got my water dispenser from. So I thought, why not? So let me quickly show you the stuff that I got. So I have 3 packages. So I have this, and then I have 2 more down here that you'll be seeing shortly. So in here I have this, cute hand towels. Yeah, so I got 3 of them. Only that one I got in gray. So let me show you. So I got this, and then this gray one. So this gray one I think will go around the bathroom area. There's a place that I'll just hang it, and then these 2 I'm just going to replace them. Let me see, they need to wash them, but yeah, I think I'm gonna have something like that. Yeah, so I'll be switching things up, but let me take them down because I'll need to wash them first. So I got 3 of them, as you've seen. And then what else did I get? Oh yeah, let me first show you the things that are down here so that this stuff in here makes sense. So you can start with this one, which is the second box or package. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if you can guess by now before you open it. Yeah, you can already see. Yeah, so I ended up getting a coffee maker as well, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, so and then on the inside, so I think I'm going to adjust this a bit. Guess there, so that we can open it together. So this is what I have, and it comes with this instruction booklet. Okay, it's just 4 pages. Yeah, so it comes with this instruction booklet, and then now the coffee maker itself. So don't know how I'm gonna move it without like. Okay. So I think this one can go down here. So this is how, don't know if that is the best angle, but this is how the coffee maker looks like. So let's open that up. Gosh, I think I need to move you guys closer. Yep, so this is how it looks like. How do I remove this? You guys even see? Okay. So yeah, Tara, this is the coffee maker that I got. Yeah, I have to of course figure out how to use it, but I know for sure that the coffee goes up here. Yeah, the coffee goes in here. You know, I'll figure it out later though, but that is how the coffee maker looks like. Woo, I like it. It's giving, you know, mature. On to the last item, because I need to take a shower. So the next item, which is actually the last item, is this air fryer, because as I mentioned before leaving the house, this is what I was going to get. So I went for Premier because I just found it matching my vibe. So okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. As I've said, it's a Premier. Hope I'm pronouncing this word right. It's a Premier air fryer, and it's 6.5 liters. Yes, so yeah. Again, this one comes with a manual as well. And then this is how. Okay, this is how it looks like. So I guess this is what goes into the air fryer, and then the air fryer itself. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I think let me just remove it from the floor, because I feel like, whew. Sorry guys. Okay. Oh man. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Oh God, I'm so grateful. I am so grateful because it has this canini at the top. And then the cable over here. And yeah, this is basically it. I mean, okay, don't even know how to open. Oh, yep. So this is what I was saying. This car thing, I think, okay. think this is what goes in here, if I'm not wrong. I'm not really sure about the placement at the moment, but I've been seeing on TikTok that you like place it in here. Okay, I'll figure it out, but I'm sure it goes in there. So as I've mentioned, 6.5 liters, and then okay, I think we can remove these ones as well. To be honest, I don't know how to use it, but I'll figure it out. But so far so good. I'm loving the progress. Like, I am so proud of myself, and I'm so grateful to God, because it has been a journey. Yeah, so yeah. Oh yeah, I was to show you the other whatever in the shopping bag. Where's that shopping bag? So I also got these air fryer covers. They're actually silicone covers, so I got 2 of them. So what should ideally happen is I'm supposed to like put whatever I'm preparing in here. So I just got these silicone air fryer covers, so that things don't get messy. Yeah, I got 2 of them, and I know I'll have to wash them. Yeah, I got them in the same shade. Yep. Yeah, anyway guys, that is all. I'm sweaty. I just need to take a shower. Yeah, so that is what I have been up to. Yeah, and that is what I managed to get. Hey, wow, I'm so proud of myself. I am so proud of myself. Anyway, thank you so much for anyway, that is all for today's video. I'm hoping that you did enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed creating the content. I don't know if my voice sounds hoarse from your side, but yeah, I'm really struggling with my voice right now. But anyway, as I was saying, that is all for today's video. I'm hoping that you will enjoy watching this content as much as I did enjoy shooting this content for you guys. And then again, I'll never get tired of saying that I'm so grateful for the support. For the support that you guys have been showing me. I do not take it for granted, and I love you guys so much. So much. I love you guys. Nyamjui. Nawapenda man. Nawapenda. Anyway guys, I'll catch you in the next vlog.